Hello, welcome back. I am Ram Krishna. In this session, we will learn how to create Azure Container Registry and run our SQL Server Docker engine for Linux in that particular Azure Container Registry. So let's start. Switch to Azure portal. First, we need to create Azure resource groups. So go to resource groups and create a new resource group. So give a valid resource group name, select a region. I prefer a Vestura. Now review and create this resource group. So resource group created successfully. Now we will need to create a Azure Container Registry in this resource group. To do that, we can use the Microsoft provided Cloud Shell built in browser. So just click this Cloud Shell command prompt. If it is your first time you are running this Cloud Shell, it will ask for storage. Click on create. It started initializing Cloud Shell for my account. It's successfully created Azure CLI for me. You can also opt for PowerShell or Bash. As of now I am using Bash. So let us create Azure container using this Azure CLI. Azure container create. We'll get image from our official Docker Hub SQL Server image. So you can get the image from here, or you can specify the particular image you want. So I'm just copy pasting the image path and give it here. So we are creating image, so let us specify it as an image. Now give name for this image. Now specify a resource group for Azure Container Registry, where we gonna create this container registry. Give a resource group name we previously created, that is SQL Ubuntu Docker image resource group. Just copy paste it. Now we need to specify the processor, that is CPU, that is 1, and we need to specify memory. We need minimum of 3.5 gigabytes. We need port which our Docker images should run, that is 1433, or give whatever you want. Now specify the IP address that we can access this container registry. Let me zoom in this command prompt for you guys so that you can actually see properly. So IP address should be public. If you give public, it automatically assign IP for this particular container registry. Now we need to give environment variable as usual to accept EULA and give password. So we have given environment variable for accept EULA as S, even though we don't read the EULA, and you give your password to our SQL server with a password which complies with the password restriction policy. Now we will give which version of SQL Server we will use. We'll use Express version. So SQL PID-Express, and we need to give the default correlation. So I'm just giving default correlation as a Latin General CIS. If you want, you can change that. Now we need to give enable availability group. To do that, let's set enable availability HADR as IS. We need to set location for this also, Azure Container Registry. So location will be West Europe. So everything is set and fine. Let's run this command to create a container registry along with a Docker SQL image. So Cloud Shell successfully created a Azure Container Registry along with the Docker image. So close the shell and we'll go back and check that. It takes a while to reflect the changes. Yes, we have SQL Linux container Azure Container Registry here. Let's go open this. We have public IP address specified for us. If you go to settings section in the left side of a UI and go to container, you can see the proper log here. The image pulling from the mcr.microsoft.com and successfully created. You can see the container name and image values here. So let us copy this IP address and switch to our SSMS and try to access this this container from our local SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. Go to connect, give IP address, select SQL authentication, give a password here. It's connecting to the Azure Container Registry, SQL Docker image. So it is successfully connected to Azure Container Registry. Just run few queries that we can create our SQL databases and we can check the versions. Yes, you can see that actual version here. It's showing SQL Server 2017 for the Linux Ubuntu version. Created test database. Execute the command. Command executed successfully. Yes, we have database here. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. In this tutorial you learned how to create Azure Container Registry and how to run and connect Docker SQL Server image on this. If it is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give a thumbs up for my video. Thank you.